So my temperament has always been scientific. So wherever there is truth is there, I go and grab it. Everybody should be a person like me. Everybody should become a spiritual scientist. Everybody should read all these books. So how will you know about Akbar and Jahangir? Through books, isn't it?
Yes, sir. By studying their...
How will you know about chemistry? By reading the books on chemistry. How will you know about history? By reading the books on history. Similar, how will you understand about spiritual science? By reading the books on spiritual science.
You are right, sir.
Books are available on Mughal history. Books are available in medieval history. Books are available on geography, on North Pole and South Pole. People have gone there and they have written books. So if you want to understand about North Pole and South Pole staying in Bangalore, you must read those books.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if you want to understand about Akbar and Jahangir, you must read those books. People historians are there. You are not a historian, but you must read history books.
History books.
If you are a historian, you will do your own research and you will publish your own books. If you are an adventurer, you will go to North Pole and South Pole and you will write books on your experience. But you have not done that. Staying in Bangalore, you must read those books. If you are a yogi like Lobsang Rampa, he will come out of the physical body, see the Akash and come back. But you are not a yogi, at least you must read the books of Lobsang Rampa. That's what I have done. Frankly, I don't have any experience, but I have read everybody's experience.
Okay.
I have not gone to South Pole or North Pole, but I know about South Pole and North Pole. Because I have read those books. I have not seen Akbar and Jahangir, but I have read books on Akbar and Jahangir. I have not gone into the ocean, but we can see daily in our TV all the animals and fish in the sea. They have gone there, they have photographed. I have seen those photographs, so I know about the sea. So you have to read books on spiritual science written by all these masters, then you will become a spiritual scientist. Either you must become a yogi or you must become a spiritual, studying all these books.